Good afternoon, everyone. This is a series of lecture for TY BC Analytical Chemistry student, semester 5 2019 pattern. Now, this is chapter 1, Gravimetric Analysis. To this part of chapter, Gravimetric Analysis, we are going to learn some definitions, some basic definitions associated with the gravimetric analysis. And this is the part first for the definition involving gravimetric analysis. Our first definition, complex ion. Now here complex ion is formed by the union of simple ion with either other ions or of opposite charge or with neutral molecules. Now the complex ion, that is nothing but it is formed by the union of simple ion. So simple ions are associated with the complex ion with the either other ions or of opposite charge or with neutral molecules. So complex ion, if it is positive, then other simple ions are nothing but the negatively charged or neutral species. So this effect is exactly reverse to the common ion effect. So in the common ion effect, generally common ions get together and association or dissociation either increases or decreases. But in the complex ion, this is the reverse effect of the common ion effect. Now the second definition is fractional precipitation. It is a technique that separates ions from the solutions based on their different solubility. Now here, two solutions have a different solubility in another solvent. So this principle is employed for the fractional precipitation. So it is a technique that separates the ions from the solutions based on their different solubilities. Now third definition is solubility product. In a saturated solution of sparingly soluble salt, the product of molar concentration of its ions is constant at a given temperature. So solubility product is defined as the ionic concentration rise to its proper power. So that is the solubility product. Now next one is solubility. Solubility of a substance at a given temperature in a given solvent is defined as amount of substance that is dissolved by known weight of solvent when the substance is in equilibrium with the solution. Now here solubility, if we understand this, if you take into consideration for the solubility concept, we must account on we must focus on some part of the solute, solvent and solution concept. Now the solute is applicable in a minimum concentration while solvent is applicable for the maximum concentration, and when solute plus solvent come together and there is a formation of solution. Now it's simply here solubility is defined as the amount of substance, that is small amount of substance that is dissolved in a known weight of solvent. So here equilibrium should be established in between solute and solvent so that there is a formation of solution takes place, and that this concept is nothing but the solubility. Now the next one is saturated solution. When a solution at equilibrium contains the maximum allowable concentration of a compound, the solution is said to be saturated solution. That means there is a maximum concentration of the substance or solute is present in the solution. Such a solution are said to be saturated solutions. Now next one is common ion effect. As we have already seen the complex ion definition, the complex ion concept is basic, or it is a reverse concept of the common ion effect. When a strong electrolyte containing common ion with a weak electrolyte is added in a solution of weak electrolyte, then dissociation of weak electrolyte is decreased or suppressed. So here, strong electrolyte and weak electrolyte contains some common ion, and when there is addition of both electrolyte takes place, at that time, due to the effect of common ion present in the strong electrolyte and weak electrolyte, there is a dissociation of weak electrolyte takes place because of the addition of strong electrolyte into that weak electrolyte. So this concept is nothing but the common ion effect. Lee-Chatelier principle. The next one is Lee-Chatelier principle. If the system is at equilibrium and if you try to disturb the equilibrium by changing their either pressure concentration or the temperature, the system counteracts. Now the system reverse and try to nullify the changes by fact what we made here. So here that is nothing but the Lee-Chatelier principle. If the system is at equilibrium and if we try to disturb the equilibrium by changing either pressure concentration or the temperature, the system counteracts and try to nullify the changes that we have made. Now the next one is gravimetric analysis. It is one type of quantitative analysis by weight. Is the process of isolating and then weighing an element or a different compound of the element in as pure form as possible. So gravimetric analysis is used for the determination of the compound quantitatively in a pure form as pure form as possible. So that is all about the some definitions involved in gravimetric analysis. So with this content, I conclude this lecture. Thank you very much for your patience listening.